Hi there, I'm Richard. Welcome to Burning Spears. Today I thought I'd have a little braai for myself as I recently had the opportunity to go to one of my favourite butchers, which is Simmons Family Butchers in St John's Wood in the UK, near London. Asked him what was good, and he said he had some 6-week dry aged rump in stock. So I asked him for a little one. So this is a 1.2 kilogram steak. I'm also going to be trying some of his boerewors. I haven't tried his boerewors before, so looking forward to all of that. And then I wasn't really going to film this, but I thought, let me have no carbs with this one and some greenery. I don't often do that, so I thought maybe I should capture this on film. So I'll get into the ingredients now, but stick around. It's going to be a great vid. Looking forward to that steak, man, and looking forward to the salad, to be perfectly honest with you. So put your feet up and let's get it on. Look at this thing, just beautiful. Absolutely amazing, can't wait for that. Right, so I just pulled out what I had in the fridge that would be suitable. You can put any veg in, and the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to get them charred on the fire, still have crunch and all that sort of thing, and then dressed as a salad. Can be warm, you can do it cold with lettuce, however you want to do it, whatever vegetable combinations you want. But this is what I'm going for today. Now, of course, you can season and marinate the vegetables, put olive oil on them, etc., whatever you want to do before you put them on the fire. But today what I'm going to do is I want to get a hard sear. I don't want any oil to mess with it or anything like that. I'm not going to put any salt on. I don't want any moisture drawn out. I just want the char on the veg as quick as possible so I can get it chopped up and ready for the salad, so I can focus on the steak really. I want to make a dressing that you've seen me start. I've got some basil here. You can use a herb of your choice. I'm going to braai the lemons to get the nice sweetness to come through, which you'll see in a bit. I'm going to use that lemon juice first and balance it should I need. I like fresh garlic, so I've got 4 cloves of garlic in there, good quality olive oil, and some chili flakes, salt and pepper, just to season it nicely. I'm going to break the basil in last minute so it doesn't bruise and look horrible and stuff like that. I'm going to get that in at the last, turn it and all that. In the meantime, the garlic will draw out into the olive oil a bit and should all be good to go. As you can probably hear, it's raining. I've got my braai under cover, which isn't ideal, and I'm just going to wait for the coals to get developed and then we'll get on to cooking. I had a little bit of a panic now. The heat being so close, my phone started to overheat, so I've got my other one on there now, and I should be done here. Yep, you're all good. Delicious. So while this rests, I'm going to finish off the salad. Really quick, really easy, and give this a nice long time to rest. It's looking so beautiful. One thing I thought that I should add that I forgot to talk about or think about in the beginning is half a red onion. Raw, and that's just to provide that little bit of bite. So I'm just going to chop this up finely, add it to there, and then get onto the dressing. Okay, so I gently want to mix this up a bit. Looking gorgeous. Now I didn't season anything beforehand, so I'm going to add some salt now. I'm going to compensate by making the dressing quite salty, but I don't want to make it too salty and miss the other flavors while I balance the seasoning. Some black pepper. Let's just go some more of those. Chili flakes. Okay, let's have a look. That's my favorite bit there, the picanha. Very, very nice. Cheers. Right, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the salad. Gave you some ideas on that. I could have got a little bit more char, a little bit more flame next time, but there's a lot of char there. Char equals flavour. Paul from Simmons Family Butcher. Good voice, mate, good voice. Not bad at all. Now for the centerpiece. For rump that's very tender, full of flavor. Aged 6 weeks. Delicious. So, there we have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is my TV dinner tray for the evening. I'm going to get stuck into this, finish it off with a few more Guinness. Like I said, I hope that gave you some ideas. Great thing to do. You can mix it in with a conventional salad, have it warm, your choice. And whatever veggies you want in. Yeah, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. And without any further ado, that's it.